Meet the adorable guinea pigs. These tiny creatures are more than just cute pets. Guinea pigs are highly social animals. They love the company of their fellow guinea pigs and thrive in pairs or groups. They are herbivores, munching on hay, fresh veggies and fruits. Hay is essential for their digestion and dental health. Curiosity is in their nature. They love exploring and need a stimulating environment with tunnels, toys, and hiding spots. Did you know? Guinea pigs communicate through a variety of sounds, from chirps to purrs, each with its own meaning. With proper care, guinea pigs can live up to 8 years, becoming loving and delightful companions. Adopt a guinea pig today and discover their charming world.